Hi guys! Here is how you can completely disable plugin installation to your WordPress website. So we are already in the WP dashboard, and now I want to disable plugin installation. For that we will use some codes. So go to Appearance and Theme File Editor, and go to Theme Functions. Scroll down, and we will add some codes here. So here is the code. Copy it and paste it here and update file. So it is done. Now if you click on plugins and add new plugins, this page is not accessible. If I go to plugins, you cannot see add new plugin. However, please note, if you use Spanel, FTP or have a file manager plugin already installed, you can still add plugins manually. Anyway, now if you want to enable plugin installation, only deleting this code and updating files may not always work. You can see I still cannot access this, and there is no add new plugin. So to enable it back, here is the other code. Copy and paste it to the theme function and update. And now you can install new plugins. After this, you can simply delete the code, and everything should work all normal. Thank you very much.